Alright, we are starting off pretty strong here with a Martini livery classic 911. You can see it's got the light blue, dark blue, and red. That is the Martini livery colors. Blacked out rims, very, very nice. Number 26 on the side in blue with the red outline. And you can see the livery follows all the way through the back of the car. The engine right here, pretty cool. Right, and then back here you can see the taillights that say Porsche on them. Very, very nice red taillights. Like that a lot. Yeah, let's check out the interior. Looks very nice. I actually watched the livery get put on this car because the livery is not from the factory. It's actually aftermarket. Here is a 911 Speedster, an old one that is the same owner as the classic 911 over there. You can see the gold Porsche letters right there. This is silver. This is super nice. And yeah, I just really like the color on this with the gold. I think it looks really good. Nice interior on it. The owner of these two cars, he actually has a 918 Spider and a Miami Blue GT2 RS. I'll pop pictures of those, of the exact cars he has on screen, because I've seen them. I've had pictures of them. So yeah, I will pop those up on the screen. Engine right there, pretty cool. But yeah, I personally think this is the highlight of the show. I think it is definitely my favorite between these two, and yeah, I think it's super sick. If I had to guess, maybe both of these are $500,000. Okay, here we have a Superman spec Porsche Macan, red stripe, red calipers, blue paint, silver rims, red Macan turbo badge. Pretty unique spec, definitely stands out. And Macan turbo badge back there. Yeah, this is pretty unique looking spec.